on the previous episode.
Oh, Jesus.
And we continue to play our game.
I know that look. You want...
Uh-huh.
All right.
Wrench.
A wrench? Why not? I know all about wrenches.
Okay, now we're gonna go upstairs. Yep. And loosen the chandeliers so we can get some balloon.
What Lily now did was actually void of all logic, and she could already hear uproar of the online reviewer, but she did it anyway. The online reviewers sounded a bit hoarse today. Maybe they shouldn't smoke so much.
That's pretty good. Well,
Done. Now only 2 pieces of evidence were left to completely erase Edna's tracks. The clown had just left his... He must have been...
What do you have there? Cigarettes? No thanks. You can keep those. Of course I smoke. I'm a real rebel, remember? But only when I'm nervous. And since my nerves are like steel, it's just a hypothetical situation. I'm a hypothetical smoker, which is actually much tougher than a regular smoker. What do you have there? No thanks. Of course, but only... And I'm a... which is...
okay. Okay, I moved you a little bit just to find out where I'm supposed to go to get the firecrackers. I have to go talk to the guy that's really nice to me.
Psst. Lily, I really have to ask you something. Do you like me?
Uh-huh.
Thank goodness. I wasn't really sure, because there's something on my mind. It's about my feelings, and I'd like to ask you a really huge favor. Would you do something for me?
Uh-huh.
Really? Wow, I'm so excited. Okay, calm down, Capu. So, would you give this letter to Shy?
Uh-huh.
I really have to meet her. So, could you just give her the letter? Man, that's so cool of you. You're really the best, Lily.
Friend zoned.
Oh, what fabulous thing do you have there? Is it for me by any chance?
Lily hesitated. Certainly not because she begrudged Shy her meeting with Capu. No. She was worried. Who knew what sort of things could be in the envelope? A snake? A scorpion? The anthrax virus? In the end, she decided to give Shy the letter, after all.
Uh-huh. Wow! It's from Capu! A date? Oh, how exciting! I have to put on more glitter.
Apparently, the letter didn't contain the anthrax virus.
Yeah.
Thank goodness.
Oh man, Lily, I'm so excited about meeting Capu. Should I wear something else? But what? Something with Shibuya, that's for sure. I wonder if Capu likes Shibuya too, because Shibuya is totally cool, right?
Totally cool. I'm gonna go now. How did they magically
Lily
appear?
didn't want to disturb the two. They deserved to enjoy the moment. Soon, they'd start to hate each other, and Shy would start losing her hair from all the grief. Ah, yes. Love.
Oh, wait. Oh!
It wouldn't take much, but Lily didn't even have that on her. It wouldn't take much to make the gargoyle completely lose its balance, but Lily didn't even have that on her.
Okay. Oh!
Apparently, Birgit had set down her work, but she had completed the banner with the puma motif. Too bad that Lily couldn't congratulate her on the good job she'd done anymore.
Yep. Okay. Totally didn't expect everyone to actually die, but okay. Okay. Go with it.
Ah, that's what I call an outstanding motif. Effective and controlled. A symbol of complete self-control. Just like the directors of this convent. This will impress the doctor. Come along, Lily. Birgit has earned another award. Her diligence and reliability will be rewarded with a celebration.
Lily almost jumped in the air with excitement. There hadn't been a celebration in the convent for a very long time. Mother Superior had already begun the ceremony when Lily entered the classroom. It was a lovely celebration. The only odd thing was that Birgit was nowhere to be seen.
And I hereby award you a Golden Girl Scouts badge on a ribbon. Your embroidering skills and excellent sense of duty are a superb example to your fellow students. You, Birgit, are a textbook example of how strict and systematic guidance can result in great achievements. Ah, Lily, follow the example of your fellow student and do some cleaning. If only all children were as conscientious as Birgit.
The celebration was very short, but Lily enjoyed it anyway. This was probably the best day of her life. Lily thought that the Girl Scouts badge was much too precious to leave lying about. Like, she put it in her pocket. The cake was meant for Lily didn't even deserve to lick the pastry shell. The sword may not have reached the firecrackers or the rope, but it fit perfectly into the mesh of the clock hands. So perfectly that it got stuck in there. Now what was Lily to do? Wait until the gargoyle dropped down of its own accord? She didn't have that much time. Hooray! How did they... The clock in the tower sounded duller than usual. Was it really that late?
Ooh. I killed both. Ah. No.
Done. Now, only one piece of evidence was left to completely erase Edna's tracks.
Slightly depressing. He was a nice guy, too. Not cheating or anything. Shh.
But that's the Golden Girl Scouts badge on a ribbon. I had no idea I was talking to a genuine scout. I was a Boy Scout once, you know. Ha! Well, knock me over with my things over there. They're lying in that chest, you know. Because among scouts, there's no such thing as ownership and...
I have a gun and I have a knife.
What do you have there? Is that my knife?
Uh-huh.
It's just unbelievable that a little brat like you is running around with a knife. Let me tell you, the youth of today are as rotten as next week's canned goulash. Don't you know how much damage a knife like that can do?
Uh-uh.
Should I show you?
Uh-uh.
You see? So hand it over before you hurt someone. Unbelievable. A little girl with a knife. So irresponsible. Here, take this chainsaw instead. Now that I have my knife back, I won't need it anymore.
Okay. I'm just gonna walk away and cut the tree down now.
The idea was good, but unfortunately there wasn't any gasoline for the chainsaw. Lily had a brilliant, high-proof Mother Superior. Done. Lily had finished all of Edna's jobs and had gotten rid of all of the evidence. She could hardly wait to tell her best friend all about it.
Lily, thank God. I have a new and much more serious problem. I can't find my diary anywhere, and all my escape plans are written in it. I even drew a map where I marked my hiding place. So forget about getting rid of the evidence. No, just forget it. It wasn't important anyway. The diary now has top priority. Please, help me look for it. If Mother Superior gets her hands on it, I'm done for. It has to be somewhere around here.
Of course, Lily immediately knew what to do. She immediately knew what to do. Oh, man. Was that really so hard? The diary was lying right there. Or hanging, rather. The telltale drawings were dangling from the claw of a dumb, gawking pigeon. The moment Lily tried to grab the diary, the pigeon rose in the air and carried it to the roof of the convent, where it disappeared in the rafters above Mother Superior's office. Gawking certainly wasn't going to help. Once again, Lily's path led her back towards the lion's den.
Of course. I will now look to see what happened. Because why the hell not?
Lily liked the sparrows. She would have never dreamed of shooting at them. On the other hand, she had to impress Shawnee to get the recipe. Lily would have liked to show Shawnee that she was certainly, but unfortunately her...
Musket wasn't loaded.
The...
Okay. Marbles. Oh.
Lily might have missed the sparrows, but her effect on Shawnee was apparent. He actually seemed a little impressed.
more like
What a
scared.
nice animal. So proud. Such
I love how the
shiny
sparrows are just like
feathers.
there.
Hopefully, Lily would have time to play with it later.
What?
Shawnee seemed
Okay.
very anxious. Lily preferred not to talk. She didn't want to risk him pulling out her braids. But she also needed the What could she do? Lily had heard that cigarettes were supposed to... Hooray! What a great job Lily had done. Shawnee seemed to feel much better already. You could tell by the way his pupils were slowly rotating towards the inside.
I'm gonna walk over here and then walk back just to see if he died. Because he most likely did. Yep. Okay. So more spacious. I just wanna see.
Lily had placed the log in the stove. Now she just had to light it. There were those voices again, ordering Lily to burn her stuff. Again, Lily resisted the temptation of obeying them.
I didn't even cheat for that. I just assumed I have a piece of a tree and a lit cigarette. I can do this.
Oh, you have the recipe?
Uh-huh.
Well then, let me see it! I can manage that! Duck roast for Lumpy! Good choice! All I need is the canned food for Mother Superior's meal from the cellar.
Wow. I find it hilarious that the cat has better food than Mother Superior. That's a little weird, but I'm gonna go with it. Glitches.
Ah, you found the canned food!
Uh-huh.
Very good. I guess that means I can start cooking the meal now. I'll put the roast for the cat in the dumbwaiter right away. But I won't be able to fit anything else in there. I can't send Mother Superior's food up until you put the empty plate back in the dumbwaiter. Got it?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, let's just hope so.
Lily didn't... The lunch lady and they...
Okay. So up to Mother Superior's room. Okay.
Oh, there's the missing child. I was beginning to hope you'd been eaten by a wild animal on the way. But at least you brought the food. I have to finish a few tasks now. Feed Lumpy while I'm gone. And don't even think about leaving the office before the work is done.
That's not what cat noise is.
How disappointing. It seemed Lumpy didn't feel like eating roast at all. How would Lily ever finish her task now? Cat food with pigeon flavoring. The cafeteria never served anything this delicious. Lumpy obviously enjoyed the pigeon-flavored cat food, and it really looked like he already had an idea where to get second. Too bad the wall was too smooth for his claws. Someone was in a rush. Oh, that's what Lumpy had smelled. The pigeon that had stolen Edna's diary was sitting on one of the beams.
Kill it. Okay.
It was a tricky plan, but Lily was running out of options.
My goodness! I see that Lumpy has finally had a meal. Why, this is quite a surprise. Perhaps all hope is not lost for you yet after all. And now leave me alone.
Meow, meow.
Maybe I was too strict with the girl and her fellow students. They're only children after all. Was I too hasty, Lord? Should I stop Dr. Marcel from coming before he tries his new method on the children? Please, give me a sign. What's that? A dove? Or at least a pigeon of peace? Is this your sign? Should I spare the children? Oh, Lord, thank you. What? That those damn children! That's it! I finally reached my limit! Lily!
When Lily walked into the sleeping quarters, Edna was gone. All she found was a hastily scribbled letter on her bed.
Take care, Lilyfred. I have to go. This situation is getting too hot for me to stay. I'll wait for you at the swing tree for a bit. If you hurry, you might still catch me. Otherwise, you can find my hiding place in the map in my diary. I'm sure you've already found it, right? Stay dirty. Love, Edna.
The letter made Lily nervous. She had to catch up with Edna at all costs.
Psst! Lily, hurry, this way! The Doctor and Mother Superior are already hot on your heels!
What's happening?
Lily looked all around in surprise. What kind of strange place was this?
You're probably asking yourself what kind of strange place this is, right? But there's no time for explanations now. Come on, hurry!
He wasn't...
First, Lily wanted to play with Garrett.
Where are they?
On the other hand, she wasn't interested in these technical knickknacks at all.
So he was listening on the grown-ups, not the kids.
Stop dragging! Let's go!
Interesting. So he is nice.
Stop! That's Dr. Marcel with Mother Superior. I don't think they've seen us yet.
She isn't in her bunk. but she can't be far.
I'm surprised that you tolerate this kind of insubordination in your convent.
I'll have the entire ground search for her immediately.
Do that. All of this seems unpleasantly familiar to me.
Let's go. This is our chance.
When Lily reached the swing tree, she found no trace of Edna. Garrett had vanished too, but the remnants of Edna's diary were lying in the grass. It had been burned, and was no longer readable. Only the map of Edna's hiding place could still be deciphered. Ah, it's a cave at Moor Lake. Lily was just trying to memorize the way when...
Psst, Lily! Hide! Dr. Marcel and Mother Superior are coming! Oh no! Too late!
No. No. Oh,
There she is!
shit.
Ha! You probably thought you could escape my examination, huh? Or is there another reason for disobeying Mother Superior's instructions?
Uh-huh.
Well, let's hear it. Entertain us.
It's all Edna's fault. Carrot made me do it. Is evil. Berries. Nazi vampires in the backyard. Berries.
This is taking too long for my taste.
What?
Was that really necessary?
Not really.
Did he just
but it
tase
brought some
a
satisfaction
child?
to an old man who has had to deal with defiant children one too many times.